Oh no, it says the park is closed due to construction.
Oh, it's fine. We can still go. What's the worst that can happen?
Hey guys, it is day 24 of Vlogtober, and today, my daughter, why do you have a bucket on your head? Kids. So anyways, we are going trick-or-treating. Well, not us. The kids are, and we're going with them, and we're going to take their candy. So we're taking the kids trick-or-treating today, and we are going to, I think it's the Hilton Greenville. Started at 2. It is currently 3:12, but it goes to 6, so we're a little late, but hopefully they can still go trick-or-treating, all that fun stuff. If not, there is another event at a farm, I think it's a farm, at a farm later today that will probably take them. So I'll get back to you guys once we get to our location. We are at the Hilton Greenville, and our kids are asleep. Like, I don't know if you can see Gabby right there. She's asleep. They literally went to sleep like 2 seconds ago. So I think we're gonna wake them up because they need to have fun. What are they doing? This is fun time. Is that a spot?
No.
No. Well, right now we're just trying to look for a spot. It looks like it might be a lot of people here, but I don't know, since it is a hotel. It could just be people staying here. What about on the other side?
Well, I was just...
But yeah, we just was, yeah. But anyways, we're gonna try to find a spot. We're gonna try to wake them up, which I know is not the best thing to do. I don't like waking them up when they're asleep, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, so since the kids are asleep and they're like into a deep sleep, we decided to go get some food. What'd you do? It's only one line.
What is going on? Like, how am I supposed to get up?
It's only one line.
That was a drive-through window.
Huh?
Oh, boy.
Babe, alright. We're gonna get food eventually. He drove around this freaking line 32 times.
Look at the building. Look how they got set up.
It's only one line though.
It's a maze.
It's not a maze, babe.
To get to the drive-through.
It's literally one line. You have to get into the one line and then it splits off inside.
Well, I thought it was like something at the drive-through window.
Oh boy, we're never gonna eat.
Well, at least we got gas.
Yeah, okay. Let's just waste it. A Chick-fil-A parking lot.
So,
did you pass it again?
No, I gotta fall in right here. See what I mean? I don't know why they do it like that. Now,
is this how they always do that?
yeah, because when I went around, they had to block off right here. That's crazy.
I don't remember them always doing that. But anyways, so we are at Chick-fil-A. We are just going to get us some food. And the little event that we really want them to go to that seems like the most fun is, it ends at 6. So it's still 4:07 right now. So we got time. So hopefully they wake up around 4:35 and we could go back there. If not, it's a lot of events going on today. And it's one that starts at 6 that we'll probably just take them to if they don't wake up in time. Car almost hit us. So yeah, so we're gonna get some food right now, Chick-fil-A, and hopefully our kids wake up, because all right, they finally up, and now Gabby got an attitude.
Come on, let's go.
It's probably because she in the parking lot.
Come on, Melly.
Did y'all have fun? You sure? Because y'all was just crying, saying that y'all was done. You sure you had fun? Okay, they're ready to go. So we are leaving now. They didn't have the most fun. We tried to take pictures and they both were crying. There's one more place we want to try. We're not going to drive to the farm because that's about an hour away. And they are cranky. So now we are heading to the next place. I think this one is a trunk or treat. But the last place we went to was like a pop-up shop for different vendors in Greenville. I guess it's for Greenville. We're in Greenville. So we stopped at a t-shirt shop and we got some cool shirts or whatever. I'm not going to show you guys one because I'm just not going to do it. Okay, so my husband is driving like a maniac, so sorry if it's bumpy. So this is the shirt we got for my husband. It says Proud Black Father. Super cute. She actually made it on the spot because they didn't have his size, which was pretty cool. So that's what we got, and now we are driving to our next destination. Hopefully the kids are in a better cheery mood. We might stop at my parents' house to make them a little bit more happier so they're not frowning in all of the pictures. So we'll get back to you guys once we get to the next location. Missing someone. Okay, we are at the next location. Do you want to say hi?
Hey.
What are you about to do?
Maggie.
You about to get some candy?
Yeah.
Trick or treat?
Yeah.
Okay, when we go up there, you gotta say trick or treat, okay? You ready to go trick or treat, Mally? Where your bucket?
I'm in the car.
In the car? Okay, we gotta grab it. Good job. All right, guys, wait on Daddy before we go. You say cheese.
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay.